The où is used to indicate a specific location or point in time in relation to a noun. It introduces more information about that noun. Où serves as the equivalent of where or when in English, depending on the context. So let us look at some examples. Example number 1. Je me souviens du jour où nous nous sommes rencontrés. I remember the day when we met. Emphasis on when. This when is this où. They mean the same thing. So où is used to indicate time and location. I said it earlier. As you see in this case, the function of when is a time function, telling us when something happened. Je me souviens du jour. I remember the day. What about the day? This day, the day we are talking about is the day that we met. So où here is ushering extra information about this jour, the day. Second example. L'année où j'ai obtenu mon diplôme était mémorable. The year when I graduated was memorable. Still on when. This is où. So just like a relative pronoun, où is giving us more information about l'année, telling us that the year that we're talking about is the year that I obtained my diploma, and also that it was memorable. The information is ushered in by où. More examples. Now for location, c'est l'endroit où j'habite. This is where I live. C'est l'endroit où j'habite. This time around, où is functioning as where, giving us information about l'endroit. Endroit means a place. As a pronoun that it is, in its basic sense, in its most basic definition, où here is representing l'endroit in the relative clause, painted in red. Let's see other examples. La ville où je suis né est magnifique. The city where I was born is beautiful. So we have where again, representing où. Où is giving us information about this noun phrase, telling us that it is where I was born, and also that it is magnifique. Alright? Now let's look at this. Voici l'école où j'ai assisté. Voici l'école où j'ai assisté. This is the school where I studied. Voici l'école. This école is qualified by où j'ai assisté, because it provides information about l'école. As a pronoun, où represents école in the relative clause. And that will be that for où.